Hello students and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is for class 7 and we are going to discuss on a very important concept of physics, that is measurement of physical quantities. Measurements are very much necessary for the accurate study of matter. Accurate measurement and exact measurements are needed for the scientific and engineering purposes. In previous standard, we already have learned about length, mass, time, temperature, volume and their SI units. In this lesson, we are going to discuss some more about the physical quantities. In our day-to-day life, we measure many things such as weight of fruits, vegetables, grains. Many times we measure our body temperature, the volume of the liquids. We can also measure the length, the distance. So whatever are these quantities, that is mass, weight, time, temperature, volume, length, all are related to physical quantities. Then physical quantities is what? The quantity that can be measured are said to be a physical quantities. To express these physical quantities, a value and a unit is used. Let me explain you with the example. Suppose a person walks 5 kilometers daily. So 5 is the value, whereas kilometer is the unit to express the magnitude distance, which actually is a physical quantity. These physical quantities are actually divided into two types. What these two types are? These are scalar and a vector quantity. Now what is a scalar quantity? Scalar quantity which have only the magnitude, whereas vector quantity which have the magnitude and the direction both. Now I will give one example for both of these. Scalar. For the scalar quantity, if I told you that Mumbai is 400 kilometers away, this one is, and second one, Mumbai is 400 kilometers to the north. So when I told you that Mumbai is only 400 kilometers away, here only the magnitude is used, then it will be a scalar. But when I am saying Mumbai is 400 kilometers to the north, then direction also been used, magnitude also been used, so it will be a vector quantity. So now you can be cleared about scalar and the vector. Now let's move towards the next concept, that is mass and weight. Here the difference between mass and weight is given. Mass is what? Mass is the amount of matter present in substance, whereas weight is gravitational force acts on that object. Mass, which is a scalar quantity, whereas weight is a type of a vector quantity. Mass is same everywhere. Where you can measuring it, it will be same. Whether you are measuring it on earth, whether you are measuring on any different places. Whereas weight will changes place to place. Why? Because it depends upon the gravitational force on that particular object. So it will be different at different places. Regarding about the unit, for measuring the mass we use kilograms and grams, whereas to measure the weight we use the unit Newton and dyne. Now to clear some more concept about mass and weight, let's see this video. Most of us think that mass and weight are same thing, but it is not. Let us see. Mass is the amount of matter present in the object. Let us consider the two examples. Here are the two objects are placed on a different places. Will the mass be different? No, mass will not be different. Will the amount of matter in the object be different? No, of course not. Matter is not changing all the time. Mass will be same in each of the cases. Mass of the object remains constant where it is placed. The standard unit of mass is kg. Another concept of mass is inertia. Greater the mass, greater will be the inertia. Inertia is nothing but the tendency of an object to resist the change in its state of motion. Now we have an idea how to measure the mass. Then what is weight then? Weight is nothing but the measurement of gravitational pull on the object. Now let us see. There are two places, place A and place B. They have the mass m. The pull of the gravity at A is x unit, where at B is 2x unit. So pull of gravity at B is more. Now mass of the object is same at both the places, but weight of the object is different at different places. Weight of the object as B is greater or twice as compared to weight of the object as A. So gravity is force acting on it.